In this video, we will learn how to make a beautiful flower using shape. First, click on shape from the toolbar. Click on the ellipse tool. Create a shape as showing in the video. Go to the top toolbar. Click on stroke. Click on stroke no color. Click on the fill color. Click on the color picker. Select the green color from here. Click the right button on the shape layer. Click on the duplicate layer. Click the OK button. Now separate the second layer. Double click on the shape layer. Now select the orange color from the color picker. Press Ctrl+T from the keyboard. Now place this shape on the green shape and make it smaller. Now click the right button on the shape layer above. Click on the rasterize layer. Then click the right button on the shape layer below. Click on the rasterize layer. Now hold down the Ctrl key from the keyboard and select both shape layers together. Click the right button on the shape layer. Click on merge layer. Press Ctrl+T from the keyboard. Click on the toggle reference point checkbox from the top toolbar. Now see a point is showing in the middle of the shape. Drop this point down. Now go to set rotation from the toolbar above. Make the rotation angle 20. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus T from the keyboard. Again, click on the ellipse tool from the toolbar. Draw a circle in the center of the flower. Then go to the top toolbar. Click on stroke. Click on stroke no color. Click on the fill color. Click on the gradient. Now double click on this color stop. Select the yellow color from the color picker. Now double click on the next color stop. Select the orange color from the color picker. Then click on the Specify gradient style drop down box. Select radial. Now see, a beautiful flower is created. Thanks for watching the video.